Of western Essex, east central Worcester, and eastern Middlesex counties through midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Stowe to Ashland. Movement was northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Expect brief torrential downpours and occasional lightning. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Lowell, Lawrence, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Medford, Peabody, Methuen, Arlington, Billerica, Marlborough, Woburn, Chelmsford, Andover, Natick, Lexington, Draycott, Tewkesbury, North Andover, and Saugus. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. These storms may intensify and become severe. Stay tuned to your local media for updates and possible warnings. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of western Essex.
I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming.
Through midnight Eastern